Each sunrise brings new possibilities and challenges. At PaxOcean, we embrace these opportunities with a unified vision to master the ocean's depths. We view each day as a chance to innovate, adapt, and excel. Welcome to the heart of innovation and craftsmanship, where skilled builders transform raw materials into cutting-edge solutions to meet the ever-evolving demands of the maritime industry. For over 60 years, we have built on the PaxOcean Group's legacy. Guided by core values of integrity, effort, unity, compassion, and gratitude. These values steer us through the modern business world as we strive for shared success. Our shipyards are the epicenter of innovation. Utilizing advanced technologies such as robotic welders and digital design tools, we revolutionize shipbuilding. This blend of human expertise and automation ensures unparalleled quality and sets new industry standards. PaxOcean's Singapore shipyard is a strategically positioned hub in the region's maritime industry. Complementing this facility are 3 strategically located shipyards in Batam, Indonesia, which enhance our capabilities to accommodate the diverse demands of our clients. These shipyards offer a comprehensive suite of offshore and marine solutions, including newbuilding, repairs and conversions, green recycling, and module fabrication. With its robust infrastructure and well-equipped with 2 ultra-large graving docks, the PaxOcean shipyard in Zhoushan, China, can accommodate all types of vessels up to 450,000 deadweight tons. In Saudi Arabia, our MRO facility offers expert maintenance, repair and operational services tailored to diverse industries. With skilled technicians, comprehensive spare parts inventory and proactive inspection programs, we ensure optimal asset performance from emergency response to strategic asset management. Our extensive network enables PaxOcean to provide comprehensive engineering services tailored to meet the diverse needs of our clients. From new builds to upgrades and repairs, our team's expertise ensures exceptional results and lasting client partnerships. At PaxOcean, safety and environmental responsibility are paramount. We prioritize eco-conscious practices in offshore asset decommissioning and adhere to strict regulations for responsible ship recycling, ensuring a positive environmental impact. Our expertise in tackling challenges builds trusted partnerships, making us not just a solution provider, but a dedicated partner in success. Meet the dedicated individuals whose passion fuels our success and shapes the future of shipbuilding. A workplace culture where every team member is empowered and committed to the highest safety standards. Investing in skills and safety training ensures a secure work environment with stringent measures and zero tolerance for incidents. We pursue excellence with meticulous attention to detail, striving to surpass expectations in every project. Each success is a shared accomplishment, fueling our anticipation for even greater achievements in the future. PaxOcean pushes the boundaries of engineering excellence to develop innovative and sustainable offshore, marine, and energy solutions for a greener future. Our commitment extends beyond construction to embrace alternative fuel ship designs, clean energy, and sustainable materials, all guided by our commitment to sustainability. We proudly lead the Coastal Sustainability Alliance, a multi-industry collaboration and initiative aimed at accelerating coastal decarbonization in Singapore. We believe in harnessing the power of our industry to create positive change. Our name signifies peace and sustainability. Trust PaxOcean to be your partner in realizing your maritime and offshore engineering goals. Building not just ships, but a sustainable future.